Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And if you're wondering why so casual, there's casual and then there's tank top weather. Well, I'm over in the Northeast, Syracuse to be more specific, and the high temperature of 90 degrees yesterday is the reason that I'm wearing a tank top. And yeah, it's going to cool down as it has already across the Great Lakes, and we're seeing that. Not only a cool down, but a return to plentiful sunshine. So actually, it's quite nice today in the Great Lakes. We have more severe weather that's going to break out today in the southern and central plains. That's out ahead of this dry line. Of course, we know a dry line is the divide between dry air out west and moist air out to the east. So it's a front, but it's a front that differentiates a dry air mass from a moist air mass. So right along that boundary is going to be the focal point for some strong and severe thunderstorms. But what a gorgeous day it is across the Great Lakes and the Midwest. We got high temperatures in the upper 70s and some low 80s. You go a little south of there through the Ohio River Valley and just south, and there are some scattered showers and thunderstorms because you are right along this front, the same front that's bringing that nice weather today to the Great Lakes. That front's actually moving through, so that'll be the reason why you see some scattered showers and thunderstorms through this part of the country. It's still going to be very warm through at least the start of the weekend in the Midwest, but a secondary cold front's going to knock down those temperatures, and then maybe there's even a third one toward the middle of the week that's going to actually bring somewhat chilly weather, I think, for much of the Midwest. You see that playing out in Chicago too. It's not so bad through about Friday, Saturday. Then it begins to cool down even more, and then you get that final stronger push of chilly air by the middle of the week. In the southeast, it's in the 80s today. We got those scattered showers and thunderstorms coming in pretty late in the day from Washington to Charlotte, maybe even just outside of Atlanta, but we're dry for today along the coast. You'll see that front coming through, though, later tonight and tomorrow. 94 in Tampa, part of this dome of heat that's been really dominating around the Gulf of Mexico and down across the central part of Mexico. We got temperatures all the way down to Miami that are pretty close to 90 degrees today. Showers and storms mainly west of Dallas today. Some of those storms could be strong or severe. Looking at a lot of 80s through the weekend, it's feeling very much like the summer here in the southeast. Typically, of course, we get a bit of a head start compared to the rest of the country, but often many think of this weekend as the unofficial start to summer. It's been hot as well in South Florida. 88 degrees will be the high today in Fort Lauderdale. There will be some thunderstorms that pop up in the afternoon, and they'll continue into the evening, then diminish. Looks like a return of those 90s. No relief from the heat coming our way as we head into the weekend and early next week. That is your Thursday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great day. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.